GoPro Pro Edition! Driving Edition. Oh yeah. Another beautiful day. Oh. I see you. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Nails and Spa. Bait and Tackle. It's all there. Oldest City Bait and Tackle. Yep. You hear that euphemism for genitals called wedding tackle? I have. I don't really understand it, but I'm not really all up on fishing, so yeah. I don't know. Maybe a waterman could explain that one to me. Vroom, vroom! Some shithead is parked in my spot. That's why I park. Jesus, eternal protection. It's the truck. It's me, Santa Claus. Betty Griffin House. There you go. There you go. Someone didn't lock that door. Someone foolishly left the cart out here. Someone's gonna have to pick that up. I think that someone's gonna have to be me.